Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Varanasi.
Hey folks, namaste. I'm Harshita.
I'm Mohna.
And welcome to our channel, HM Diaries. Can you guys guess where we are? We are at the airport. We are at Bengaluru airport. And now we are heading to Varanasi. We are super excited.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet our dad.
Yeah, we are going to Varanasi and then we are going to Ayodhya. Do you guys remember the last time we were coming back from Varanasi? It was like so sad because it wasn't enough and we wanted to stay for like longer. So yeah, again, after like almost a year, we are going back. And then Ayodhya. And what's the time now?
The time now.
The time's 12:49.
We are kind of hungry. Our mom made pulao, but we don't want to have pulao. We want to have sandwich, indigo ka sandwich. We are boarding now. We got this. Also, the time is 1:54 p.m. We'll be reaching in 2 hours. You guys know how December it is in Bangalore. It's so chilly since a few days, but today it's sunny out of nowhere. And we are wearing sweatshirts.
Closing door for departure, thank you.
Mom is vlogging there. I'm like, what is she doing?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking.
Guys, please save me from her. She's cracking all dumb jokes. Literally dumb jokes. Please save me. And I can't go from here also.
It's not that bad.
You tell. Let's see if it's funny.
I'm telling, the flight has stopped for a while. I think someone wants to get down. Y'all, mom was so excited to play this crossword puzzle with us. And now see her. Hope you have a good time.
Not with you.
Guys, they hate me. Mom, what do you know? Are you having fun with me? Bye. But we have good coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Varanasi. We request you to kindly close the window shades.
We've reached. Our dad is here as well. You're going well with the music. We are actually a little bit worried what our dad's gonna say, because we have 3 big suitcases and then 3 huge backpacks. He might just get pissed. Saw him? Hi! We knew it. This will be enough for our luggage.
He was holding because of this luggage. I told in the vlog more than his reaction towards us. I was scared about the reaction towards this luggage.
We're just girls. Of course, we're gonna overpack.
One of our favorite places. Nana is trying out all the snacks we got from the flight.
We're having our dinner, you guys, and it is so yummy. It was actually like so yummy. So yummy. We had your last time too.
Hi guys. So now we are going towards the ghats.
The time is 8:17 p.m. and we're done with our dinner. So we changed into our pajamas, all comfortable, cozy.
It's very nice to listen how they speak. Yeah.
See,
This is like the smallest lane, and
suddenly one like come out of nowhere,
or some bike
and then
or
three
some bike.
cars.
Bro, how do they drive in these small lanes? Wait, I'll just
It's
show you.
scarier for us.
Whoa, whoa. Oh no.
I just imagine, bro. Like, what if like the wheel just like passes through our leg, like just.
Shut up.
And you know the funniest part was watching these dogs sit on these bikes.
Yeah, it's like they're getting ready to ride those. So we are finding for Rabdi Jalebi. They have beautiful collection, you all. So beautiful.
Okay, then dance.
What is that?
Now do something else. This girl is. She doesn't like Malay.
She doesn't. She hates Malay. Yes, it does. Like it does. We did. The taste is really good, but the fact that it's Malay, I'm not even having it. Like I know that there's cream in it. It's Rabdi, it's not Malay.
It's Rabdi.
Desserts time after dinner, you guys. This is what I was the most excited about.
Mohana trying all the milk products. I can't believe.
I mean, I do have rasmalai.
Rasmalai is okay.
This is what I like.
Oh my god, the weddings in Varanasi are such a vibe and they are celebrated grandly and they have so many things going on and it's so fun to watch. They were playing loud music to which a few foreigners started dancing. It was so cute. Even we joined the barat and there's dhol, there's shehnai and tabla and even DJ. So we have reached the ghats. I'll let you know which. This is Ashwamedh Ghat. He's a living statue. It's too cold right now. Lemon tea, our favorite lemon teas. It was full moon day, also known as Paurnima. So we left a few diyas into the Ganga. How is this place?
Beautiful. Just so divine. So peaceful. And I can see the moon, full moon today. We're so lucky.
Fog. I can see fog.
Yeah, fog.
What's the temperature?
So,
Guess the temperature.
18? No? 14 degrees?
It's literally 13 degrees. At like 4 a.m. it will be like 8 degrees.
8?
8 degrees.
Do you want to wake up at 4
Yeah,
a.m.?
I actually don't mind. Like I want to see how cold it is.
Yeah, I think it's some kind of movie shooting. We're getting bail near Ashwamedh Ghat. You know, I have a name for this.
Huh?
Bail by the Ganga. It's so cold.
So simple and so nice. I was forced to wear this.
What are we gonna have?
Lemon tea.
It's like making our hands warm.
Warm. There's tea inside, so.
Super hot. Stop recording me with this.
Mom is a minion. Moms are so cute.
I know. It's so sweet. morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and now we are heading to Kashi Vishwanath Temple for darshan.
Yeah, and like yesterday night we came back to the room and we were so tired, and we were trying to edit a little bit. So yeah, that is it. And yeah, now we're gonna have our breakfast and then go to the temple.
Cutie.
Oh, they take milk directly from the buy milk.
कितना बार अबे पुराना गाना लगा किशोर कुमार का 100 साल हो गया ना कल बहुत टीवी में प्रोग्राम दे रहा था
Thought careful.
You guys remember? The last time we came, I went to that shop. That's like a coffee spot. Coffee
There.
Yeah.
So we're going there for coffee.
Yeah, and I remember how badly I burnt my tongue while having coffee.
Listening to old Hindi songs and the vibes. We've come back here again to our favorite coffee shop. He remembers us. हम याद है ना आपको?
Yes.
Yes.
HM Diaries.
Oh हाँ.
बबलू
Oh.
बबलू हाँ मम्मा भी आई हैं
वहाँ पर.
कब आए
कल आए, कल रात को आए.
कल रात को आए अच्छा किधर है मम्मा
वहाँ पे वो कॉफी पे वो शॉप है ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Coffee shop.
ओके ओके
Guys, people are recognizing us in Varanasi. She's wearing clothes.
रामनगर किला देखने के लिए वहाँ पे म्यूजियम है वहाँ के राजा भी अनंत नारायण सिंह हैं और वहाँ पे साल में एक बार रामलीला होता जो विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिक विदाउट माइक का वो पुराने तरीके से हजारों वर्ष से होते आ रहा है भगवान श्री कृष्ण का एक लीला भी होता है तुलसी घाट पे उसमें भी राजा साहब आते हैं आप लोगों को काशी में आके जरूर ये सब पुरानी चीज़ों को देखना चाहिए बनारस पे पट्टू काशी पट्टू और गंजा
So we've got a few materials from him and we've got them stitched and we are gonna wear it very soon and take videos. So we're gonna show you guys.
Blue Bhaiya, he never saw us in real life. Like last time, mom got materials from him and that's how he got to know that we have a channel. But then he has never seen us in real life. And we were vlogging there, having coffee, and he recognized us through our vlogs. So we are done with the darshan. That's the shrine. So we're gonna check out a few saris here. So we are sitting in the backseat of the rickshaw. Yeah. You heard that? I feel like meters are gonna bump into our vehicle. So close.
Anna's helping the rickshaw driver. I was just like princesses sitting here, the passenger princesses.
So we just shifted our room because we wanted a room with a better view, and we have come here to Leela Guest House. I'm just gonna give you a small home tour. Oh, home tour, room tour. I mean, you enter. This is a bed.
It's so comfortable.
There's one balcony there, window, mini TV, and the best part here is the Ganga Nadi. I don't know if you can see because there's so much fog out here. You'll be able to see it tomorrow morning. We are just planning to walk and go till there and then have our dinner.
There are many ashrams and temples in Varanasi which offer free food, and we actually went to one of them that night.
Mansarovar Ghat, and somewhere here is our room. So we're just strolling from one ghat to another. Mom is Dora the Explorer.
Dora the Explorer. It's so cold.
With the backpack. Enjoying the fog, the moon view. Yes, it's the same thing. This is Mohana's lodge.
Yeah, guys.
She owns it.
I own it. That's why, you know, there's like a guy who listens to Justin Bieber.
Mohana is getting kulfi.
Kesariya tera ishq hai piya.
Is the camera on?
Yes, ma'am. I was literally gonna say yes, ma'am. You won't believe. I was literally gonna say.
Space ఉండదు మనం ఇంతలాగా.
So we are back from the ghats and story time. So it was so fun. Basically, our dad
He went to Ayodhya.
He went back to Ayodhya. We will be going day after tomorrow because of his work schedule. We reached Dashashwamedh Ghat. There we had our favorite bhel and lemon tea.
We would walk for a while and then feel hungry, eat something and find something new.
And then burn it all.
And burn it all.
I just checked the number of steps on my phone and it showed like 15,000 and it's honestly like the highest in the last few days. So yeah, I mean it feels good. Like I still have like the energy to walk some more and then, you know, find something to eat, and it's so fun. You just like walk and then you find something to eat and then you walk
You don't
again.
feel heavy because you're walking so much. The small gullies that you go.
Gullies, small gullies. You had to describe it.
Ghat to this ghat, it took so long for us to walk, right?
What?
This is the situation. Huh?
No, listen to her.
Most of the time these two girls. No, I was just joking. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను మర్చిపోయాను.
गली गली में फिरता Sorry bro, why are you wasting time?
Okay, amongst all food items now, what did you like the most?
Like
what did you
from
enjoy?
like yesterday or like only today?
Today.
Kulfi.
Yeah.
I liked.
Always lemon tea.
I mean, yeah, that's
Actually, point goes to lemon tea and also
And the
dosa.
bhel.
Okay, this video is like 7 minutes long. We're definitely going to cut everything. All we did is laugh.
the time is 11:20 p.m. and we have to wake up. I was thinking of waking up really early tomorrow and like watch the sunrise and everything. So when do we have
Even
to
from
like wake
our
up? 5
5 o'clock.
Even from our
Five.
even from our balcony, we can see the sunrise.
Let's go with ethnic wear tomorrow morning.
Oh, let's wear like those Banarasi kurtis
Yeah.
we stitched.
Banarasi kurtis or sari.
Yeah, you'll wear sari.
Oh.
There was this guy who was walking behind Mohana, and then he came next to Mohana and he asked her, "Are you from Banaras?" And she's like, "No." And she's like, "Why?" And then he's like, "Oh, you're very pretty." And then he just walked, and I'm like, "Oh my god, my sister, let's go!" And that was not the first time. That was like the second or third time. And then there was other lady also who complimented. She's like in Telugu. She's like, "Chala bagunnau, chala bagunnau." I was like, "Oh, Avuna, thank you so much." And she's like, "Nijanga, you're really nice."
You like nache?
No, not nache. That means I really liked you.
Yeah, even I heard.
Okay, we're gonna sleep in sometime. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
So that is it for the first 2 days in Varanasi, and we have beautiful sunrises and interesting tourist spots we visited in the next vlog. So stay tuned for that. Until then, love, peace and happiness.